Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and app access. Confirm the case and both earbuds are charged to around 30% or more, so the reset completes reliably. Once done, open Jabra Sound Plus and sign in so settings can be restored later. Next, unpair the Elite 8 Active from your phone's Bluetooth list to prevent automatic reconnection. This clears the way for a clean factory reset. Now move directly to the earbuds and case for the actual reset sequence. You now perform the core reset. Place both earbuds firmly into the charging case and leave the lid open so you can see indicators. Then press and hold the physical or touch buttons on both earbuds simultaneously for roughly 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the earbuds to clear pairing data and internal profiles. While holding, watch the LED indicators. When they blink or change behavior, the reset has initiated. After the LEDs confirm the action, close the lid briefly and prepare to reconfigure. You finish by repairing and validating functionality. Reopen the case, remove the earbuds, and follow on-screen Bluetooth pairing prompts on your device. Make sure Jabra Sound Plus is open to restore settings and check for firmware updates. If pairing fails or you hear only one side, perform the reset again once more. And if that still fails, fully drain the earbuds by playing audio until they die, then fully recharge and repeat the reset. That usually clears stubborn pairing or firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.